Today we look at geographic features and why some don't use any article and others use the definite article the. Usually we don't use the with names. That's why we don't need to use the before the names of lakes. I live near Lake Como. Mountains. I visited Mont Blanc last year. Cities. I went to Tokyo last summer. Islands. I really want to go to Cuba. Continents. Asia is a huge continent. We also don't use the with the names of most countries. I love Spain. However, for countries which are plural nouns, we need to use the. I flew to the Netherlands. And for countries which contain words like states, kingdom, or republic, we use the. I visited the United States last year. I live in the United Kingdom. You know what? I'd love to visit the US again. Bye!